Okay, boys and girls, for those of you who are looking for help with your California project, whether it be a mission project or whether it's on the gold rush or a famous California explorer, the first thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to decide what your topic is. If you choose to do a mission, I believe there are 24 missions in California that you can choose from. And so the first thing you have to do is decide which one you want. So the best way to do that is to do a Google search. Go ahead and open up a web browser, whether it's Internet Explorer or some other browser. Go to google.com, and you're going to click in the box down here to go ahead and type your search. So the key phrase that you want to type in there is just California missions. And when you type that, it's going to bring up a whole bunch of different resources here for you. Okay, go ahead and just click on the first one. This one I clicked on here is missionscalifornia.com. Go ahead and click on that, and it'll bring you to this website. Now again, no matter what your topic is, if you're doing the Gold Rush, instead of typing California missions, you would type the Gold Rush. But if you click over here on California missions map, it'll bring up an interactive map here of all the different missions in California. And whichever one you click on, it'll bring up a little synopsis or a little bit of information about that mission. Now this isn't enough information to write your whole report on, but it's enough to give you an idea of whether or not you want to use that mission for your project. So this just opened it up in a new tab, so I'm going to close that tab out and it'll bring me back to my map. So take a few minutes, go ahead and browse through here, find one that really interests you, and then you're going to go to the next step, which is actually researching that mission and looking for more information on it. Now, I'm just going to let you know, this is a process that's not going to be super fast. You want to be able to spend some time on this. Don't just hop on the computer and expect to be done in 5 minutes. Okay? Research can take a while. It can take 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hours. There's going to be some reading involved. But that's what it takes to be an academic success in school, and so be ready to put some time into it. The mission that I'm going to use for this example is actually the top one here. It's Mission San Francisco Solano. If I click on that one, it brings up the mission that I chose, and this website does have some useful information in it. It has some great overview information, but I want to find more. I want to find out some more facts about San Francisco Solano. So one thing I'm going to urge you to do is to go ahead and bookmark whatever website you use to find information. That way when you go to write your bibliography, you can document what sources you use. Now a source is a website, it can be a book, it can be a magazine, it can be an encyclopedia, it can be an interview with somebody. A source can be a visit to the actual mission itself. Sources are anything that you use to get extra information to help you write your paper. So every website you find information on, go up, if you're using Firefox or Internet Explorer, you want to set a bookmark. So I'm just going to go up here to bookmark. I'm going to click on bookmark this page, and it will let me set a bookmark so that I can go back in later. I already have a bookmark in here for this mission, but I can click on that bookmark and it'll take me to the page that I bookmarked. So that way when you go back to do your bibliography, you have the website address to put into the bibliography. Okay, so again, go ahead and take a few minutes and decide which mission you want to use, and then when you're done with that, we'll go on to the next step.